Good morning, students. Today's topic is esterification reaction. The formation of ester is called esterification. When any alcohol is treated with any carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 at a 60 to 80 degree C temperature, then esters are obtained and water molecule is evolved. This reaction is called esterification. Look at the reaction. When any carboxylic acid, so this is acetic acid, when react with any alcohol, this is ethanol. This is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is heated in the presence of mineral acid. Mineral acid means concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated HCl. They provide H plus ion. Then we get ethyl acetate. The water molecule is evolved. This is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is the commercial name. In this reaction, concentrated H2SO4 act as a catalyst as well as dehydrating agent. If we do not take concentrated H2SO4 in this reaction, then the reaction is reversible. So by the use of concentrated H2SO4, we can put the reaction in irreversible manner. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, this reaction is in irreversible manner. Now look at the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism. Step first. In step first, concentrated H2SO4 gives proton which attack to the oxygen atom of carboxylic acid or ethanol. We can take both acetic acid as well as alcohol as a starting material. So we take carboxylic acid as a starting material. We get an intermediate which is called oxonium ion. Now in step 2, this oxonium ion evolve water molecule. And we get another carbocation. This is called acyl carbocation. Acid. In next step, this carbocation attack the another reactant which is alcohol. Alcohol molecule have two lone pairs. That's why it donates its lone pair to the carbocation carbon, and we get an intermediate. This is the another oxonium ion. In last step, this proton atom is evolved from this carbocation and we get ester. In last step, you get step 4 here. Proton is evolved this proton atom is evolved from this carbon and we get ethyl acetate as a final product. Ethyl acetate plus. So this is the overall mechanism of esterification reaction. So just to recap this reaction. Esterification reaction means the formation of ester from carboxylic acid and alcohols. When any carboxylic acid react with any alcohol in the presence of mineral acid, then esters are formed. This reaction is called esterification. Here there is one important question. What is the working of concentrated ester 4 in this mechanism? So answer is concentrated ester 4 act as a catalyst as well as dehydrating agent in this reaction. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.